Just like you can dice in object mode, you can also dice in edit mode on a specific selection. So let's actually Shift A, add a cube, and with our cube menu, we'll press Q and go to Booleans and select difference, and we'll place our cursor down and add another cube, and we'll bring this one in, and we'll press Q and select difference for this one as well. And let's actually select this area that we just created. So we're just selecting these faces. And from here, we can press Q and go to dice. And notice that dice is only constrained to the area that we're looking at. However, even though things look pretty nice, notice that the moment we cut, dice is extended a little bit farther than we wish. However, this can be mitigated by pressing Shift H and actually hiding things. And if we dice now, we can actually dice in edit mode, and it's actually constrained just to this area and it won't extend anywhere beyond that. In fact, let's select everything again and dice a second time, but this time we want to from this axis. So now we've actually basically given this area more geometry and more equalized geometry than the rest of this, which we can do what we want with. But the most interesting thing is that with the selection that we had here, we can actually do something like press Q, add a lattice, and then from here, look at it from the side. We'll click on Z to add some Z spans. And we can get in here and really deform things without any fear of it disrupting the shape around it, because we have control over it via using dice. So dice in edit mode has a very different purpose than object mode, but can still be used to obtain cases where you want localized curvature in a particular area, or you're wanting to write a very specific geo in an area in order to use it like you saw here with something like a lattice.